Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on CKB. If we take a look at the live 7 day time frame chart, then you can see that the price line of CKB is breaking out different patterns. Like it first broke out this long-term down channel, then broke out another falling wedge pattern, then broke out this up channel, and now recently it has broken out this down channel. And if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several days of weeks, the price line has been testing this uptrend line support. That, by the way, this support was found here on 5th of August 2024. We had a bounce here and a few more touch points here. Then we had another bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here. And now after the breakdown, you can see that this uptrend line support is flipped into a resistance and the price and is rejected. And after this rejection, the price and has tested this long-term support of 1 cent and gearing up. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. If there, I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for XRP, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 4th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this buying sign, sell target sign, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying line and rallied to the sell target line. Now let's move to the live chart of CKB, and this is the daily time frame chart. And here we can see that for the past several weeks and months, since after 4th of April 2024, it was moving inside this down channel. We had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, and finally the price end broke out the resistance. This time you can see that after 5th of August 2024, we also found the uptrend line support as well. We had a bounce here, we had another bounce here, two more bounces here, and finally the price end broke down the support. Now for the breakdown, the price end retested the previous support as a resistance and rejected and also dropped down to the next support of 1 cent and geared up after testing the support of 1 cent. By the way, this 1 cent has been previously breaking as a support here, and almost as a resistance here. And recently, again, it worked as a very nice support here. You can see that despite this long spike to the downside, the price and could not break it down. And now is about to hit this next very strong resistance of 1.35 cents. It has been recently breaking as a resistance here and almost as a resistance here and support here and resistance here. And therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line of CKB. And after that, we will need to break out this uptrend line support that was previously breaking as a resistance. And at the same time, or slightly higher than this resistance, we will have the next very strong resistance of 2 cents that has been previously breaking as a resistance here and resistance here. In fact, this was the formation of the double top at this resistance of 2 cents. And before that, it was breaking as a resistance here and resistance here as well. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that previously I have been showing you, by the way, this down channel even before the breakout as well. And I was telling you in those days that after the breakout from this channel, the technical target will be here at the top of the channel. That will be somewhere between 3.5 cents to 4 cents. And you can see that the price line moved up to 3.79 cents. And after hitting this target, the price line was stuck inside this channel. And here we have a quite long-term resistance at 3.5 cents. That was previously breaking as a resistance here. And this time, it is once again rejected by this resistance. Therefore, now we need to break out this long-term resistance of 3.5 cents. In fact, from 3.5 cents to 4.5 cents, we have a complete resistance line. If we highlight this area, then it will be more visible. You can see that previously it has been breaking at a rejection point here. You can see that we have so many touch points here. And then we got rejected here and here. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong resistance. But this time after the breakout from this recent down channel, the technical target is again here at the top of the channel at 3.5 cents. Therefore, now we may see another powerful attempt for the breakout from this long-term resistance line that starts from 3.5 cents and goes to 4.5 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.